Setting up a bar requires several important pieces of equipment. Here are some of the key items you'll need. Bar tools. This includes shakers, strainers, jiggers, mixing spoons, and other tools necessary for making cocktails. Glassware. You'll need a variety of glassware, including highball glasses, lowball glasses, martini glasses, and shot glasses. Ice machine. You'll need an ice machine to keep your bar well stocked with ice for drinks. Refrigeration. You'll need refrigeration units to keep your beer, wine, and other perishables cold. Bar stools. Comfortable seating for your patrons is important, and bar stools are the perfect option. Point of sale, POS, system. You'll need a POS system to manage transactions, inventory, and sales tracking. Audio equipment. Adding music to the atmosphere is important to set the mood. Lighting. Good lighting sets the mood of the place and creates an inviting environment. Bar towels and cleaning supplies. A well-stocked bar requires regular cleaning and maintenance, so having towels and cleaning supplies on hand is a must. Display shelves and cabinets. You'll need shelves or cabinets to display your liquor collection and glassware. Bar mats. Bar mats are used to catch any spills and protect the bar surface. Blender. If you plan on making frozen drinks or smoothies, a blender will come in handy. Garnish trays. These trays are used to hold garnishes like lemon or lime wedges, cherries, olives, and other decorative items. Straws and stirrers. These items are used to mix drinks and make it easier for patrons to consume them. Bar caddies. These are small containers used to hold napkins, coasters, and other items. Bottle openers. A good bottle opener is essential for opening beer and wine bottles. Corkscrews. If you plan on serving wine, a corkscrew is a must-have. Cocktail napkins. These are used to keep the bar surface clean and to serve drinks. Trash cans. You'll need a few trash cans for disposing of empty bottles, cans, and other items. Signage. To attract customers and advertise your specials and promotions, you'll need signage inside and outside your bar. Liquor pourers. These pourers fit on top of liquor bottles and help control the flow of liquor when pouring drinks. Cocktail shakers. Shakers are used to mix and chill drinks and are essential for making cocktails. Cutting board and knives. You'll need a cutting board and a set of knives for preparing garnishes, fruit, and other ingredients. Speed rails. These are racks that hold bottles of liquor within reach of the bartender, making it easier to serve drinks quickly. Beer taps. If you plan on serving draft beer, you'll need beer taps, beer towers, and kegs. Wine chillers. If you plan on serving wine, you'll need a wine chiller to keep bottles at the ideal temperature. Decanters. Decanters are used to serve wine and liquor, and they also add an element of style to your bar setup. Cocktail recipe books. Keep a few recipe books on hand to inspire new drinks and help train new bartenders. Coasters. Coasters help protect the bar surface from moisture and scratches, and they also make it easier for patrons to set their drinks down. Portable bar. If you plan on hosting events or catering, a portable bar is a convenient option that can be easily transported and set up. Bar spoons. Bar spoons are used for stirring cocktails and layering drinks. Muddler. This tool is used to crush ingredients like fruit and herbs to release their flavor. Pour spouts. These spouts fit onto liquor bottles to help control the flow of liquor when pouring drinks. Cork stoppers. Cork stoppers can be used to seal open bottles of wine or liquor to keep them fresh. Cash register. A cash register can help you keep track of transactions and money, especially if you don't have a point of sale, POS, system. Bottle coolers. These are refrigerators specifically designed to keep bottles of beer, wine, and other beverages cold. Wall-mounted bottle opener. A wall-mounted bottle opener is a convenient tool for quickly opening bottles of beer or soda. Condiment dispensers. These dispensers hold condiments like ketchup, mustard, and hot sauce, making them easily accessible to patrons. Menu boards. Menu boards display your drink offerings and specials, and can be updated regularly. Ice buckets. If you have a small bar or are hosting an event, ice buckets are a convenient way to keep ice handy for drinks. Bar stools. Comfortable and stylish bar stools can create a welcoming environment for patrons. Sound system. A sound system can add ambiance to your bar and create a fun atmosphere. Lighting. Good lighting can set the mood and enhance the aesthetic of your bar. TV screens. If you plan on showing sports or other events, TV screens can attract patrons and keep them entertained. Cleaning supplies. You'll need a variety of cleaning supplies, including towels, sponges, and disinfectants, to keep your bar clean and hygienic. First aid kit. A well-stocked first aid kit can help you handle minor injuries or emergencies that may occur. Fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher can help you quickly put out a fire in case of an emergency. POS system. A POS system can help you track inventory, manage orders, and process payments. Security cameras. Security cameras can help deter theft and provide valuable evidence in case of an incident. License and permits. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits to legally operate a bar. By having these items on hand, we'll be able to offer a wider range of drinks and provide better service to your customers.